Hello, in this video I'm gonna help you generate maximum acceleration and maximum topspin, and I'm gonna show you the easiest technique possible to do this movement, to accelerate as much as possible. And basically this is to do more or less like Stanislas Wawrinka used to do a lot, or still doing, is to hit the ball, and instead of catching the racket in the end, like imagining you answer the phone, you catch the racket in the end, but inside of the racket. Your hand is from the inside, not outside. This will help you a lot. I'm gonna show you here. So basically you accelerate and you finish here. And these some tricks or hacks to help you with this is when you prepare the racket, you are opening the racket, okay, and your hand, you rotate your hand while the racket is going down. Okay, and coming to the chest, because you're gonna accelerate the ball. This ball is perfect when the ball is at the hip height or a little bit lower. This is perfect to do this. It's really difficult to miss this ball. Of course, if it's too low, you can do like Nadal and go up with your elbow. This is really important. But this shot, basically you open while you prepare, your hand comes and you rotate your hand. Okay, you do this, and this lag here is really important. You really need to have your hand completely relaxed. Of course, the lag also, you're gonna do this if you're gonna accelerate more, and this is gonna generate even more power. But usually this, when you see this, you're gonna play more flat. This ball, usually the racket goes a little bit lower. You really need to drop the head of the racket, and then from here you go with this. Okay, you do this. And especially if the ball is low, you do this, okay, with your hip and with the hand. And then this hand goes to the chest like this, okay? And here you hit and you completely relax. Imagine your hand is there. You almost finish with the hand like that. I do this a lot. And then your hand catches the racket here. This shot is perfect. I'm gonna show you again. So basically, oh, sorry. Basically you do this, okay? And you do here. And I can put feet a little bit lower. So I have my camera there, but basically this and this. I missed this shot. One more. I'm also cold, but this. Here, notice how I completely relax my hand while I prepare. Of course, again, this is way easier if you use semi-Western grip. I don't talk about other grips because I don't recommend Western grip and I don't recommend Eastern grip. Is too easy in the beginning, but you don't have progressions for later. You need to be super talented. So I hope this technique helps. Once again, instead of catching the racket in the end here, always catch from the inside, hip height or below. This technique will help you a lot and you're gonna increase a lot your topspin. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.